Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that's generating quite a bit of buzz, the L900 Pro 5G Wi-Fi FPV drone. This model is being presented as a serious contender for both enthusiasts and those just starting out in aerial photography and videography, promising a blend of high-end features and user-friendliness. Right off the bat, the L900 Pro boasts a 4K UHD camera. The marketing highlights its ability to capture crystal clear and vibrant footage, aiming for unmatched clarity in every shot. Paired with 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, it's designed to provide a seamless live view experience, allowing pilots to see exactly what the drone sees from up to 600 meters away without interruption. This kind of range and clarity is crucial for framing those perfect aerial shots. Underneath, the drone is equipped with brushless motors. This is a significant upgrade over brush motors commonly found in entry-level drones. Brushless motors mean quieter operation during flight, a longer lifespan for the motors themselves, and generally less maintenance required over time. This contributes to a more reliable and enjoyable flying experience. Navigation is made easier thanks to its GPS capabilities. The L900 Pro includes smart features like auto return, which brings the drone back to its takeoff point automatically if the signal is lost or the battery is low. There's also a follow me mode, where the drone can track a subject and waypoint flight, allowing users to pre-plan a flight path on the app. These features are designed to make flying less stressful and more focused on capturing content, especially for beginners. The drone is described as having a long flight time and an extensive control range, encouraging users to explore further and capture more of the world around them. Its foldable design adds to its practicality, making it highly portable and easy to transport to different locations. It's also app-controlled, integrating modern smartphone functionality into the flying experience. While marketed with a 4K UHD camera, it's worth noting the video capture resolution is listed as 1080p, with an effective still resolution of 12 megapixels. This is a common point of distinction in drone specifications, where the sensor might be capable of 4K stills, but video recording is at 1080p. However, the focus is clearly on delivering high-quality visuals for its class. Overall, the L900 Pro 5G Wi-Fi FPV drone, particularly in its striking orange color, positions itself as a capable and accessible option. It brings together key features like a high-resolution camera, reliable GPS navigation, and durable brushless motors in a portable package, aiming to provide an unbeatable flying experience for anyone passionate about aerial perspectives.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.